Job search tips for young adults. When the time comes to find a job as a high school or college student, be sure to utilize your network. Ask your friends if their employers are hiring. Check in with family friends who work in industries of interest. Join local community Facebook groups and advertise your landscaping or babysitting services. Don't be afraid to ask your favorite stores or restaurants if they're hiring. Prepare a simple resume in advance, listing any relevant experience, even if it was unpaid. Note the skills you utilized in that sport, community service activity, or even babysitting your little brother. List academic or extracurricular achievements, as well as contact information for references. Though many entry-level jobs won't require a formal resume, it's a good idea to get your names, dates, and selling points organized in advance. Similarly, though you may not always have a sit-down interview, you'll at least have a conversation with the hiring manager. So prepare for common interview questions like, tell me about yourself. Why do you want this job? What's your schedule like? And why should we hire you? When you meet with a potential employer, be sure to put your best self forward. Dress up a little. You don't need to wear a suit, but make sure it's an outfit your grandma would approve of. Be on time, stand up straight, shake hands, and make eye contact with the person you're meeting with. Turn off your phone before entering the workplace to give the employer your full attention, and then turn your phone back on to respond to any texts, emails, or voicemails in a prompt manner. Finally, always ask about next steps and be sure to get contact information so you can follow up with a thank you note, thanking the employer for their time and reiterating your excitement about the job.